Welcome back, wizards, as we begin with part 2 of Unit 1 of Section 15 on visual literacy. Let's look at some examples of building architecture. The Empire State Building in New York City, an international landmark, is an excellent example of the architectural style known as Art Deco. Look at the texture and the use of the particular color in the example on your screen. The St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow is shown on your screen, and you can see the striking elements such as the shape, the color, and form. The Oriental Pearl Tower in China. Striking elements are line, color, shape, and smooth texture. And the Taj Mahal, which has symmetry or formal balance. The elements within the design are identical in relation to a central line or axis. Let's look at some terms in architecture. Now that we understand the elements in arts and in architecture, let us look at some of the terms in architecture. An arc is used extensively in old architecture. A bay window projects out of the buildings made of wood. A bay window is as shown on your screen. A buttress is a projected masonry. A masonry is a building structure. Columns is vertical structure that supports the beam. A dome is as shown on your screen, such as the example of the White House. A dormer is a window that sticks out from a roof to provide more light and air. A spire is any slender pointed construction surmounting a building, a pyramid-like set on a square tower. A steeple is a tall ornamental structure or a tower of a series of stories diminishing in size. A facade is the outside face of the building. And a frieze is a long, narrow horizontal panel or band used for decorative purposes on exterior walls of buildings.